So we've just managed to get loaded up before first light, and what a cracking morning it is. Got a feeling it might be tough going this morning because the mere's only just thawed out. It was mostly frozen last weekend when we was here. But me and Stu managed to get out on the boat, booked it out, and we just had a 2 or 3 hour trolling spinning session planned with no dead bait rods or anything. So yeah, we come down last Sunday and Stu managed to pull these 2 out. Yeah, I'd sit down if you can, Stu, on that nice chair behind you. He's only gone and done it, the lad has again. You are stuffy nuts piking now, aren't you?
Times though, wasn't it, Craig?
Yeah, we've been doing this for 2.5. So, can you hear ice? That's the ice which the wind's blown us. Jesus, half the brake's frozen.
I did change my lure just, didn't I?
Oh, you did?
Just changed my lure and then literally 4 seconds into the troll, and we had this, but it's the only one of the day. And
we're struggling. We've only got a certain amount we can fish in it.
Probably got about another hour left.
Yeah, and we've got about a fifth, not even a fifth, 10th of the lake. Yeah. Nah, a bit more than that.
Oh,
but
little Jackie chap.
He's done it. I'm just hoping for one now.
About £3.5
Yeah.
So we'll slip it back and get on and try and get a couple more, eh?
Yeah. Done it again.
Only gone and done it again with a little channer.
Little Jackie Collins.
Jackie Collins. I'll tell you what they are though, the mint little fish. I think the smaller they are, the more perfect they are.
Yeah, nice. They are nicely marked, aren't they?
Yeah. Little channer and a ding dong.
Bloody hell, wind's picked up now, hasn't it?
Yeah.
We've only got about 20 minutes left, haven't we? And we're going.
So we get this back and get cracking, eh?
Yeah, come on then.
Go.
So yeah, Stu's doing well on the lures, he's well out fishing in me. So anyway, this morning we're just heading out to one of our favourite spots, just having a bit of a troll, and then we're going to see if we can find some bait fish and anchor up. But until we find the bait fish, we're just going to have a little troll, a little relax, and get the spinners out and the lures out. Stu there with the first fish of the day. Just done a little troll around the margins, and he's just said to me, a few fish there on the echo sounder. And what happened, Stu?
Went straight away. As soon as I seen them come over the sounder, I knew my lure was about 20 feet behind the boat. And as soon as I seen them come into the A column on the sounder, I knew. And you could see him about 4 metres below the boat, and then bumped it went. And it felt a decent fish at first, but I think I'd caught it right in the scissors and it was kiting kind of sideways.
I know, we thought it was bigger, didn't we, at first?
Yeah, I thought it was bigger than that, but...
Who cares?
Pike, and we've been here probably for 5 minutes.
Yeah, probably took us 20 minutes to get to this spot, had it? If that.
Get back out, eh?
Oh yes. Hopefully, this is the thing. Anyway, they like your friggin' mackerel lure, don't they?
Mackerel lure, should we have a look at the mackerel lure?
Yeah.
Get the fish in the water, get it resting while we...
Right.
We talk about these fish like they're a piece of beef, don't we? Get them resting.
So, this seems to be the in lure at the moment.
This is the baby, and it's a Rapala X-Wrap Magnum mackerel pattern, deep diver. Dives to about, I think it's about 5 or 6 metres depending on your trolling speed. But that, every time we come, naps the fish, doesn't it?
It does well, that, doesn't it? I mean, I was doing well on the coloured one at first, wasn't I? But that seems to have died off now.
Yeah, these like Fire Tiger, Luminous.
Yeah, like the greeny ones. But that one seems to be doing the business now.
Yeah.
I might have to get myself one because you're well out fishing me on the lures, aren't you? You're having like 3 to 1 for me.
Single hooks on it as well.
Oh, yeah.
Easy to deal with.
There's top tip number 1.
And then the other end of the spectrum.
The big daddy.
27 centimetre, sorry, brown trout.
Yeah.
I've not actually caught anything on that yet.
I wonder why.
I don't think there's anything 27 centimetre in it.
And the one I was doing well on, but seems to have died off the last few sessions, is similar to Stu's. Diver 5 or 6 metres, but like a fluorescent greeny one. It was doing the do, but lately it's not. Right, we're just going to do another pass and see if we can snag another piker. Pikey O'Sullivan. Right, we're going to do another pass and then till we find some bait fish, big ball, and then we're going to do some dead baiting. So I've been using a float pattern offset, I think you call it. So basically float with a stop above it, sunken or on the top. I use it on the top at the moment, on the surface. Climb on the boat and then there's a little boom with the lead coming off and then line straight through. I use circle hooks, single hooks. So basically that is my rig, just basically a running rig with the lead coming off of a piece of mono, which is only about £8 I think, so if it gets snagged that'll come off and snap and then I'm sorted. So that's on both of my rods, got the same thing on. Stew fish is slightly different. The reason I use this is because I thought I was going to do a bit of bank fishing and I can use it off the boat and on the bank, but not really done any bank fishing. So I might actually change my setup next time. But Stu's is slightly different.
So my setup is same float as Graham's, core and snap. It's a 46 gram running to an Olivet, or we call them a quick change lead, onto fluorocarbon up trace, and then I've got about 20 inches of heavy fluorocarbon, I think it's £80, coming from a stopper bead onto a quick release swivel setup clip, onto 2 size 4 Drennan hooks and a big fat whitey. So hopefully that'll do the job for me today.
So the order of the day today, we've got some sardines, which I got yesterday from Mothers. And then in here I've got some whiting, and I think I've got a herring as well, and maybe a roach, and we've got a little mackerel there as well, which I'm going to stick on. So yeah, I'm going to give it a go. Looking forward to a bit of dead baiting. So we'll give the spot a little go. We're both not very happy here, we don't feel very confident. Plus Stu's cast into a snag with his right rod, so we've got to go and get that out. First cast he's landed in a snag, so he's only fishing with one rod at the moment. So we're going to go and rescue his rod in a sec.
The planets are not aligning, are they?
They're not aligning today at all, no. But Stu's kindly let me this lip scope, stop it coming out. So I'm going to try a bit of trolling on that in a minute.
The main way of rigging for fishing.
Yeah. So I'm going to give that a go on the way back. I'm going to go around the other side again where we was this morning and see if we can find the bait fish, because we're right in the wind here. Oh, there is a few topping there, Stu, behind the bungs, isn't there?
One little jack, and I'm not messing. We've been up and down, up and down, up and down, haven't we? Up and down the lake.
At least you've had two, Stu, and I've had zilch again.
Yeah,
This is my third blank on the run.
And it was the weirdest of takes. It was such a weird take. It was dead slow, and Pike come swimming towards us, didn't it?
Yeah, it was. We've had a few weird, strange takes on here,
this lake.
I don't know if it's so deep or what, but it's just weird.
But anyway, it come to a full whiting, big whiting.
Yeah.
Seem to like whiting on here, don't they?
Yeah, you've done well on them, haven't you? I've not tried them. Maybe that's my problem.
But there she is. Get her back.
Alright. Nice one, Stu, there. I'd give you a fist bump, but I can't.
Stay there, don't move.
Yeah, don't tip the boat up.
So, you will never believe what Graham's just gone and done. He's beat his PB, his all-time PB for longest time with no fish, and then he's caught a jack-a-whack-a-ding-dong. Well done, mate. And it was last knockings, the engines died, virtually. We're getting what, 1.5 knots out of the engine on full rip. And he caught it on a lip skull, what I'd lost all faith in, there with a sardine on it.
I borrowed it.
He borrowed it today. I said, you won't catch on that, because I'd lost faith in it. But I have caught on it with a trout on. And he's just gone about 50 yards, if that, from the mooring, on our way back to the mooring, and took that. Well done, mate. You buzzing?
Not the biggest, but at least it's summer. Right.
They're all the same, Graham.